SR-72 Darkstar isn't just a bomber, it's the future of warfare. You've probably heard about cutting-edge military tech, but SR-72 Darkstar is on a whole other level. Imagine a machine capable of reshaping the entire strategy of modern warfare. It reaches speeds of over Mach 6. That's about 4,600 miles per hour. Faster than a bullet, my friend. And the most fascinating part, this aircraft has already proven itself as a groundbreaking innovation in aviation. Rumor has it, if deployed, a war could end before the enemy even has a chance to react.
Airplane that was directly useful in specifically support of Army troops in the field.
The SR-72 Darkstar is a true legend in the aviation world. Its codename is just a smokescreen. This aircraft has long been tested in the most secretive missions. With its stealth technology and incredible speed, it becomes invisible and untouchable. Imagine this. Darkstar can infiltrate enemy airspace, complete its mission, and return before anyone even notices it. Rumor has it it's used for gathering intelligence in the world's most dangerous regions, places no other aircraft could operate. And its ability to deliver precise nuclear strikes makes it the ultimate threat to any aggressor. Did you know that during test flights, no radar has ever been able to detect it?
Allows so much more capability.
This aircraft was designed to ensure the United States achieves absolute air dominance. The idea behind Darkstar was driven by the growing threat of hypersonic missiles and stealth technologies from competitors. In a world where reaction time is measured in seconds, the SR-72 has become the answer to the challenges of next-generation warfare. Its future role isn't just as a deterrent, but as a guarantee of rapid response to any threat. Now let's talk about its deployment. Work on the SR-72 began back in the 2000s. It was spearheaded by Lockheed Martin, specifically its secretive Skunk Works division, the same team behind the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. However, the SR-72 became an even more ambitious project. Boeing and Raytheon Technologies also played a significant role, contributing to the development of sensors, weaponry, and control systems. The aircraft's engine is a true masterpiece of engineering. It uses a combined system of a turbojet and a scramjet engine, allowing it to reach hypersonic speeds. The challenge is that conventional materials can't withstand such extreme temperatures and stresses. To address this, engineers developed special carbon composite materials capable of withstanding temperatures exceeding 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the aircraft features an aerodynamic body with a twin fuselage design that minimizes air resistance at high speeds. One of the primary challenges was ensuring flight stability at hypersonic speeds. Engineers created a unique active control system that uses sensor data to instantly adjust the flight trajectory. Another hurdle was maintaining stealth capabilities. To achieve this, the aircraft is coated with a special material that absorbs radar waves and reduces its thermal signature. It's also worth mentioning the AI system on board, which assists the pilot in complex situations. For instance, it can automatically choose the best route to evade missiles or identify the most vulnerable targets.
Probably be the most famous airplane ever.
Let's talk about its specs. The SR-72 Darkstar can climb to altitudes of over 98,000 feet, where most modern missiles can't reach. Its speed of 4,600 miles per hour allows it to cross the Atlantic in less than 2 hours. It's armed not only with nuclear weapons, but also with cutting-edge precision-guided missiles capable of hitting targets thousands of miles away. At the same time, thanks to stealth technology, the aircraft remains virtually invisible to most radar systems. A key feature of its design is the dual fuselage structure, which provides optimal aerodynamics at hypersonic speeds. Next-generation sensors enable it to conduct reconnaissance in the most challenging conditions and transmit real-time data. Another impressive detail, the SR-72 is equipped with an automated threat avoidance system that significantly enhances its survivability. Compared to other aircraft like Russia's Tu-160 or China's H-20, the SR-72 boasts significant advantages in speed and technology. For instance, the Tu-160 has a top speed of around 1,370 miles per hour, 3 times slower than the Darkstar. The H-20 focuses more on stealth, but its technical capabilities don't come close to matching the hypersonic performance of the SR-72. In fact, no existing aircraft can compete with the Darkstar in speed, altitude, or mission autonomy. The SR-72 Darkstar has the potential to reshape the future of U.S. military strategies. Its introduction showcases technological superiority, providing the ability not only to deter potential adversaries, but also to maintain global stability. Its primary role is to project power that makes any sudden attacks on the U.S. or its allies virtually impossible.
It will operate in tomorrow's high-end threat environment, and it will enable America to outmaneuver, to outpace, and to outmatch our adversaries. It will deter aggression.
Allies such as NATO countries see the SR-72 as an additional guarantee of security. Meanwhile, countries like China and Russia view this aircraft as a challenge, pushing them to invest in developing similar technologies. This has sparked a new arms race, already influencing the global balance of power. Interestingly, the SR-72 Darkstar gained public attention thanks to the movie Top Gun: Maverick. Was this part of a strategic U.S. plan to showcase its strength? Maybe. Through the movie, the aircraft became popular not just among military circles, but also with the general public, potentially sending a message to adversaries: we have game-changing technology. At the same time, it could simply be a cinematic move to draw attention. Yet it's hard to ignore how this step shaped global perceptions of the Darkstar. The SR-72 Darkstar is more than just an aircraft, it's a symbol of a new era in military aviation. Its speed, power, and technology make it unmatched. Imagine how the world could change if one nation gained such an advantage. Darkstar isn't just a weapon, it's a strategic tool capable of shaping the course of history. But it's also a challenge for the entire world as technologies of this caliber permanently change the rules of the game. Imagine an aircraft capable of flying at 5 times the speed of sound. This isn't a scene from science fiction, but a reality we're steadily approaching. Hypersonic travel is becoming more attainable. But what lies behind these revolutionary technologies? And is the world ready for this new era of high-speed travel? Could it be that hypersonic planes will become a critical element of national security in the coming decades? The answer may be closer than you think. And the SR-91 Aurora aircraft, rumored to have undergone upgrades by Elon Musk, might hold the key to this future.
It will operate in tomorrow's high-end threat environment, and it will enable America to outmaneuver, to outpace, and to outmatch our adversaries. It will deter aggression.
The SR-91 Aurora isn't just another aircraft, it's a revolutionary hypersonic vehicle that promises to transform the very nature of air travel and military operations. Although its existence has long been shrouded in secrecy, rumors about its capabilities have circulated since the 1980s. Imagine this aircraft reaching speeds exceeding Mach 5, over 3,700 miles per hour. Such a pace would allow the SR-91 to cross the Atlantic Ocean in under an hour. But now, with Elon Musk reportedly involved in the modernization of this aircraft, the scale of its development could reach new heights. Musk, known for his ambitious projects with SpaceX and Tesla, views the SR-91 as a platform to test cutting-edge hypersonic technologies. His vision goes beyond just improving speed and efficiency. He aims to bring hypersonic travel to the commercial market. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at how the SR-91 Aurora could become the symbol of a new era in aviation and the key role Elon Musk plays in its enhancement.
What it might look like, it's to describe a vision more than anything else. It's to put something tangible in people's minds as to what.
Hypersonic technologies face several serious challenges, with the primary one being the impact of extreme speeds on the aircraft. For example, when traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, approximately 3,830 miles per hour, the surface temperature of the vehicle can reach 980 degrees Celsius or higher. Standard materials used in modern military aircraft cannot withstand such heat, which creates the need for new, heat-resistant composites that can endure these extreme conditions without losing strength. Another significant challenge is the power systems. Traditional turbojet engines cannot sustain stable operation at these speeds due to excessive temperatures and pressure inside the engine. For instance, the F-119 turbojet engine used in the F-22 Raptor can achieve speeds of around Mach 2.25. But its design wouldn't withstand the demands of hypersonic speeds. For projects like the SR-91, hypersonic scramjet engines are being considered. These engines are capable of functioning at speeds beyond Mach 5, making them ideal for such high-speed applications.
Biggest thing I've seen as far as aviation.
Another challenge is navigation. Hypersonic flights pose massive difficulties when it comes to precise control. Traditional navigation systems lack the required accuracy at such high speeds, which significantly increases errors in trajectory calculations and delays in control system responses. As the world faces new challenges in national security, reaction speed and mobility have become critical factors. This is why developing hypersonic aircraft is of strategic importance for defense. The SR-91 Aurora, with its potential for lightning-fast delivery of information, munitions, or even conducting reconnaissance missions, could become a key tool in maintaining the U.S. technological edge amidst growing international competition. The story of the SR-91 Aurora begins in the post-Cold War era, when the United States sought new ways to surpass potential rivals in the airspace. According to unconfirmed reports, the first tests of this aircraft took place in the 1990s, but its exact capabilities remain classified to this day. However, it's believed that the Aurora was intended to replace the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, a spy plane capable of reaching speeds of Mach 3.2, about 2,170 miles per hour. The SR-91 Aurora is not just an aviation legend, but one of the most mysterious projects of the U.S. Air Force. Its design reflects cutting-edge advancements in aerospace engineering, though its precise technical specifications remain mostly classified. Estimates suggest that the aircraft is about 130 feet long with a wingspan of 65 feet. It features a wedge-shaped design that minimizes aerodynamic drag at hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 5, more than 3,720 miles per hour. The plane is also believed to be capable of reaching altitudes above 98,400 feet, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems.
The advantages to the wing design, to the flying wing design over a traditional aircraft is the replacement of that fuselage with more wing. So that creates a bigger surface area of wing, which translates into more lift.
Particular attention is drawn to the hypersonic engine of the SR-91 Aurora. It's believed that the Aurora is equipped with a scramjet engine capable of operating at speeds exceeding Mach 5, where traditional turbojet engines fail due to excessive heating. For comparison, a conventional jet engine reaches temperatures of around 1,110 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Aurora's body can heat up to 3,630 degrees Fahrenheit during flight due to air friction. To withstand such extreme conditions, the aircraft uses special materials based on titanium or carbon, which can handle these temperatures. These materials not only enable the plane to endure the unusual conditions of hypersonic flight, but also improve its maneuverability. Furthermore, Elon Musk plans to use technologies from SpaceX to develop next-generation engines that will run on liquid methane and oxygen. This will significantly reduce the weight of the fuel system and increase the aircraft's range. Another important aspect is autonomy. Elon Musk is a strong advocate of artificial intelligence, and he plans to integrate an automated flight control system into the SR-91. This will not only make flights safer, but also enable the SR-91 to carry out missions without a pilot. Such a control system will allow the aircraft to avoid enemy detection systems and conduct reconnaissance missions at hypersonic speeds.
The wire takes inputs from the pilot and other aircraft sensors, feeds them into a series of computers, which then produce an output to a hydraulic actuator, which moves the flight controls for it.
Conspiracy theories have inevitably surrounded the SR-91 Aurora. One of the most well-known stories involves its alleged testing at Area 51, the secret U.S. military base. Witnesses have repeatedly reported seeing strange phenomena in the sky, which they mistook for UFOs. Some experts believe these sightings could actually be linked to the testing of the Aurora. There are even suggestions that the technologies used to build this aircraft were borrowed from extraterrestrial crafts, possibly recovered in Roswell in 1947. While this remains purely speculative, for many conspiracy enthusiasts, it adds an extra layer of mystery to the Aurora project. Returning to the modernization efforts, one of Musk's most impressive proposals is the use of a new engine cooling system. Traditionally, at hypersonic speeds, engine temperatures can reach thousands of degrees, posing a serious threat to their reliability. Musk suggests using liquid nitrogen for rapid cooling during flight, which would extend the engine's lifespan and prevent overheating. Additionally, this technology would allow the aircraft to stay airborne for longer periods, significantly boosting its combat effectiveness. Another revolutionary aspect is the improvement of aerodynamics. By utilizing special composite materials, Musk plans to make the SR-91's body smoother, reducing air resistance. As a result, the aircraft could reach speeds of up to Mach 8, around 6,100 miles per hour. This would make the SR-91 the fastest aircraft in the world, capable of reaching any point on the planet in just a few hours. The SR-91 Aurora is more than just another military aircraft. It's a platform that could revolutionize our understanding of air transport and combat operations. With Elon Musk's involvement in its modernization, this aircraft is set to become a symbol of a new era in aviation. Innovative materials, cutting-edge engines, and autonomous control systems will make it not only fast, but also highly efficient and safe in combat situations.